Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find and delete downloads in Safari on your iPhone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, what we want to do is open up your Safari on your iPhone and let's go to a website. So let's in this instance go to apple.com. Once you've opened the page, find a picture or file that you want to download. Long tap on the picture and then tap on Download Linked File. After the file is downloaded, you can exit Safari and open up the Files app. In the Files app, click on Favorites and then select Downloads. You should see all the files you have just downloaded listed here. To delete the file, long tap on it and then click Delete. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get straight back to you. And don't forget to give the videos a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.